Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Good morning, men and women of goodwill. My name again still remains Onyebuchi Ashibrobi, known as the Gracia or the Sea of the Seer. So this morning is very packed, all the jam-packed with a lot of information. This is real information. This very morning is jam-packed with a lot of information. Now, going forward, let me run to Israel before I will continue my program. If you go to Israel today, there is Biafra Republic government in exile headed by Rabbi Uzel. Rabbi Uzel returned Biafra Republic government in exile, which Mazi Simon Ekpa have a faith in him. Mazi Simon Ekpa have a concrete faith in him. Rabbi Uzel turned the Biafra government in exile to USB. And Rabbi Uzel is seeing the atrocities being committed in the land of Biafra by Oposhi or Rabuguru Fulani, and he's not doing anything. Rabbi Uzel is not doing anything rather than Abateke Haneme in the circle. Mazi Simon Ekpa trusted you, Rabbi Uzel. Today, what is happening? I am asking you, what is happening? Are you not seeing the exposition? Even this Finland, I am coming because there are a lot to expose in this Finland. Finland will bear you witness. Your madam told you people, Rabbi Uzel, I'm telling you, your madam told you people that she is in charge. No other person. She further told you people that Mazi Simon Ekpa drove all the people with Biafra Republic government in exile, drove them away. That Mazi Simon Ekpa drove them away. That was what Rabbi Uzel told most of you. That Mazi Simon Ekpa chased them away. Now, today, video have surfaced. Mazi Simon Ekpa is discussing with them, laughing with them, chopping knuckle with them, snapping picture with them, which means your Madam Halemato Goro Fulani lied to Biafra people when she told Biafrans that Mazi Simon Ekpa have asked them never to come here again. He disgraced them and chased them away. And many people are still having... They were here when she told them that lie. They were here. So people supporting her is just supporting their love lies. I do not care about the nonsense that they comment. And I as well encourage them to bring their frustration to the comment section. Because if they do not bring their frustration to the comment section, am I the person that will bring it to the comment section? I am Onyebuchi Ashibrobi, known as the Gracia. Please hit the like button and share. Very, very importantly, hit the like button and share. So where will you stand? Rabbi Uzel. There is another woman again called Ifii Nwachukwu. Ifii Nwachukwu, Mazi Simon Ekpa trusted you. When Mazi Simon Ekpa was kidnapped, Ifii Nwachukwu, you brought the account of Biafra Republic government in exile to that group in Israel. You told them to be paying money in Biafra Republic government in exile, not in USB. But as at then, our own people, we were still supporting Orabuguru Fulani. They attack you. Then you succumb to their will. You started supporting USB. Now, I am asking you, Ifii Nwachukwu, you can now see the truth in Israel there. You can see the truth. Do you not hear from the men on the ground that your madam is not giving them any money? In fact, do not take the word of men on the ground. Do you not see when Biafra, during the May Day, the people that your madam show that they are your soldiers, people wearing literally rag, with a pump action, Eboa nano. Some of them carrying baby. Those people, mandi nika ha dokara adoka. Does those people look like an army that will withstand the zoo soldiers. Does those people look like Biafra Liberation Army to you? Why on program she claims that she speaks with Potozo? They claim that they are working with Gentle, but when Gentle work, they celebrate. When Gentle, there is this thing, they attack Gentle. They tell him, oh, when Gentle say that you are not giving me money, you are pirating me, you are not working with me, and you are lying against me that you are working with me, they say, oh, shut up. Why are you coming out to join media war? You lied against somebody that you are giving the person money, and the person comes out to say, stop this lie. You are not giving me money, and you attack the person. You say the person will buy. They even said that, oh, you are not working with us, you are working with Ogenkere. Why must we give you money? But on a normal note, on the fundraising, she will tell you that she's working with them. Ifii Nwachukwu, you have a conscience. I'm leaving you with your own conscience. Ifii Nwachukwu, your boyfriend, please remember, your boyfriend was one of the most trusted of Mazen Nnamdi Kanu. One of the most trusted of Mazen Nnamdi Kanu. Your boyfriend, when Mazen Nnamdi Kanu was kidnapped in Kenya, your boyfriend was nowhere to be found in Israel. He was not in Israel. And your boyfriend was person that Mazen Nnamdi Kanu trusted in Israel because of the Jewishness of Mazen Nnamdi Kanu. So people in Israel already said that he's a participant to the selling of Mazen Nnamdi Kanu. That is your boyfriend. I want you to search inside your conscience. Does the people you support Biafra? Do they think about Biafra? Do they talk about Biafra? That's the only thing that I want you. I want most of you to search inside your own conscience. Is what have Halimatu Abubakar done in this very struggle? Nothing. For the same way she lied to you, these lies that you are now seeing Korokoro, are you not seeing it Korokoro? The day that she came out to tell your people, Master Simon Ekpa disgraced that these very individuals went to Master Simon Ekpa to claim this, and he disgraced them. He chased them away and told them never to come out again. Come again. The same people that she put that lie. I have always said that lies will always inspire. Lies will be oge. Onahe quiz onaha amoma ya may inspire. Truth and reality will then face you at your own face. What will be your stand when that truth faces you? I am Onyebuchi Ashiburobi, preaching nothing but the undiluted truth. That you don't know that the truth I preach on this very, very hallowed platform is undiluted does not mean anything. It simply means that the demons living in you is at work. And I cannot help you when the demon living in you is working. Am I the person to stop the demon? You invited the demon, so give the demon cheer and some drink. Let the demon ride on with your mentality, because most of you are in dark shell. I am Onyebuchi Ashiburobi, preaching nothing but the undiluted truth. I do not come here to romance your ego. I do not come here to romance your iberibe. Maka most of you, the USB recharge card, the iberibe and keep azwa. Ifii Nwachukwu, search your conscience. Search your own conscience. And let me tell you people what is happening in Israel. Do you see that lies pursues people? Now check in that group that you people open in Israel there. Previously, you people have about 39 or around 30 something members. Right now, that group is not up to 10 anymore. And sometimes that group, when it was 30 something members, raises up to $12,000, $2,000. at worst, $2,000 every month for this very struggle. So there is a lot of hope in that group in Israel. Today, where are your people? How many people? How many are you in Israel there? Which shows that truthfulness and sincerity personifies everything. We are talking about your own freedom, and most of you are kicking against your own freedom. Now let me go to this man. Do you people see this man standing in blue here? This very man is evil. This man standing in blue, tira kanapa. Not the one wearing cap, because the one wearing cap standing with PM are those brigade members having a brief meeting with PM inside court. This one standing around Uche, nke a na-anọ ebe Uche onye ara, Uche onye oshino. This one was among the 4 people that wanted to bear witness, false witness against Master Simon Ekpa in Finland. And when they arrived, 3 people went, and this one, some people started talking to him. He joined here or the lekwe okwa maka ndụ gị. Our people do not forget maka your family, this and that. Even his brother that followed him there told him, you do not bear false witness against somebody. His own brother told him, don't bear false witness against an innocent man. Check for your generation. Check for your own people. But as usual, Sabo is Sabo. When Sabotage enter your spirit, it will map. Do you know what this man did? This man withdrew. He withdrew from the court. This man that you see withdrew from the court. His name is Chinedu Onwukwe. He lives in Finland. As usual, like I told you before, when Sabo is in your mind, Sabo is Sabo. Chinedu Onwukwe, your uncle warned you. Your uncle warned you never bear false witness against Master Simon Ekpa. And I want people to see your picture to whom you truly are. This Chinedu Onwukwe is into selling of Igbo in Finland. Igbo ka onye a na-ere na Finland, and I challenge anyone in Finland today, rise up and prosecute this ezi. Na-eri Igbo na Finland. We have a lot of reputable people with reputation. Chinedu Onwukwe withdrew as usual, went home, and then went and called the Finnish prosecutors that he will testify on phone. He is afraid of his own life. And they said, he told the court, this guy told the prosecutor that Master Simon Ekpa unalive 4 soldiers. They asked him evidence. There is no evidence. Now, this Chinedu Onwukwe is a member of DOS. This DOS masquerading themselves, disgracing themselves. This Chinedu Onwukwe is a member of DOS. Chinedu, you told Finnish court, the people that Master Simon Ekpa unalive 4 soldiers. You did not present evidence to them. Did you tell Finnish court how Nigerian soldiers unalive our own people in protest? Or do you love what happened in Aba High School? DOS commanded our people on a protest in Aba High School. They were massacred, murdered in cold blood by Nigerian security agencies. So what you are telling me is that is a way to reduce our population. Is that what you are telling me, Chinedu Onwukwe? Is that what you are telling me? Ori Igbo na Finland. Akaseri Igbo, one of Finland. Is that what you are telling me? Time have come when people will know what you are doing in Finland. Igbo, Onye ọ na-ere Igbo ụmụnne m Igbo onye abụ Igbo ka ọ na-ere na Finland Igbo. Time have come when people will know lekwenu uche ebe ọ na-eri nri. Ebe ọ na-eri nri ụmụ Biafra gbara ya ọsọ lekwe ha ọkwa ndị sabo ngozi. People that went to Finland to bear false witness against Mazi Simon Ekpa. Please, as I am talking about this Chinedu Christian Onwukwe, even Uche was seeing with Chinedu Christian Onwukwe. How will you said that you are there for Mazi Simon Ekpa. You communicate with somebody that wants him to be in prison. You laugh with the person, which means you are part and parcel of what Mazi Simon Ekpa is suffering. And when Biafra come, we will have a whole lot of time to talk about a lot of things, because most of you people, so I do not send you. I am Onyebuchi Ashiburobi. Your own handwork is to hit the like button and share this very program. Accordingly, you people are now seeing the truth. Lies have expired. Previously, they told you, oh, we are not in charge. We lied that we are in charge. Mazi Simon Ekpa put me in charge. Surrogate. And I asked all those mugus who bought that lies, what have this woman done? Can't you see that those things that she told you, you are now seeing it that, say? You are now saying, oh, Benjamin went to court. Benjamin, did Mazi Nnamdi Kanu love Benjamin? They went and lied. Today, Benjamin cannot return to court anymore. The same way your Uche cannot meet Mazi Simon Ekpa. Go and ask Uche. Let Uche tell Biafra people what Mazi Simon Ekpa told him in court. If he is not ashamed of himself. He is in Finland. He knows that everything, if he speaks otherwise, everything that he speaks, there will be consequences when time reach. Let him speak. Onyara Dekaya. I don't follow liars. And I don't follow deceivers. I could remember when your madam come out to tell Biafra people, oh, we are liars and deceivers. That we are lying. That she's in charge. She's in charge. She's there for Mazi Simon Ekpa. She's taking care of Mazi Simon Ekpa today. You are now seeing in video. If she is taking charge of Mazi Simon Ekpa, this is Mazi Simon Ekpa having a brief meeting with members of Brigade inside court. Where is the USB in this surrogate? They are now lying to you that, oh, Mazi Simon Ekpa don't know what is happening. Do you think that Europe is zoo? When you are castrated in Europe, you watch and go to internet. The only thing is that you will be restricted from commenting or talking about anything on the internet. But you watch television, you browse, you go to internet, you listen to every program. Just the same way Mazi Simon Ekpa knew that we are more stronger, and he have to deliver that message. Biko continue on ihe unu na-eme. Unu adakwa na mba na ihe unu na-eme. And the people that he rested his shoulder while speaking that, he was with Brigade cabinets inside court, and he told them this simple word: continue on ihe unu na-eme. Unu adakwa na mba na ihe unu na-eme. That is a very great message. I do not, before they said, oh, it's Photoshop. Mazi Simon Ekpa cannot tell them that. But now they see Mazi Simon Ekpa, even in video, they are still talking rubbish. Do I send you? I am not here to massage your ego. Neither Iberibe is not for Onyebuchi Ashiburobi. It doesn't concern me. I am Onyebuchi Ashiburobi, known as the Great Seer Place, or the Sea of the Seer, preaching nothing but the undiluted truth. I don't know. And me, I do not send you message. If you can fight against spiritual things, you can fight anything in the world. I am Onyebuchi Ashiburobi, known as the Great Seer Place, or the Sea of the Seer, preaching nothing but the undiluted truth. I am not here to massage anybody's ego. Obro na nno ebe a ka massage your ego, I wouldn't be here till this day. I wouldn't be here till this day. I am here for truth, and truth I shall continue. Nothing like lies, nothing like deceits. And our people can never ever be deceived anymore. I preach nothing but the undiluted truth here on this very platform. So let me go on and carry on. This Chinedu Christian Onwukwe told Finnish court that Mazi Simon Ekpa died a pregnant woman. As usual, they ask him of evidence. No evidence. Now, Chinedu, can you then tell us who are the Fulani herdsmen buying our people? Have your Nigerian soldiers whom you are fighting for today, you claim that you people are fighting for freedom of our own people. Nigerian soldiers can buy our own people. No protest. You people will come and say, oh, the international community is not speaking. They are not taking action. But your own people, when they took action, you will come and out to castigate them. You will come out to bear false witness against them, lying against Mazi Simon Ekpa that he unalive people. Self-defense is never a crime. And Mazi Simon Ekpa have never unalived anybody. Our own people in our own land are defending themselves. Our own people in our own land are defending themselves from the terrorists who have come to unalive them. And we have to live like people. We have to live. We have to protect ourselves. If we do not protect ourselves and our generation, nobody will, and nobody can protect us. It is in our hands to protect ourselves and protect whatever we believe in. In our hands. Nobody will come from anywhere to protect us. So, Chinedu, are you then telling me that people that were unalive that they came for? You see the Nigerian soldiers unaliving our own people, and after them, rest their filthy foots on the people, on the Ozundi Madhaburebu. So what you are telling me is that it is permitted. Is that what you are saying, Chinedu? I am Onyebuchi Ashiburobi. Please hit the like button and share. Very, very important. Hit the like button and share this very program. Chinedu Christian Onwukwe, Ori-Igbo na Finland. What you are telling me is that those innocent people unalived by Nigerian terrorists in uniform, they deserve to be unalived. That is what you are telling me. That there will be no consequences for those who unalive our own people. These are the people deceiving you people, that they want freedom. They want freedom from Nigeria, but they love Nigeria more than anything. And this Chinedu Christian Onwukwe is the same friend of Uche. A friend of Uche. Because once you give me information, I will use the information to investigate deep. And I found out that Chinedu Christian Onwukwe is 5 and 6 of Uche na Finland. The so-called the most trusted of Mazi Simon Ekpa. Anybody you call most trusted is the one selling you. When Mazi Nnamdi Kanu was kidnapped from Kenya, the DOS, the next on the line, madam sell Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. When Mazi Simon Ekpa was arrested in Finland, still next on the line, oh, Abum surrogate. They were the people sabotaging Mazi Simon Ekpa. Sending people that will bear false witness against Mazi Simon Ekpa. Praying that Mazi Simon Ekpa never gets out. I heard that Udele 247 said on his program that hatred will not lead us anywhere. Udele 247, at the appointed time you will come out. At the beginning, all this man, check here, say to Reshita Finland, this man, you have audio land now cover since. I say to from Finland, case where Jovam. So this man, Diola, but I used to praise him. You thought that you were doing against me. But you never know that you were lying against your own self. I am Onyebuchi Ashigburobi. Hit the like button and share. You thought that you were lying against me, but you never know that you were lying against yourself. Now you are speaking, hatred cannot lead us anywhere. What have your madam done? For how many months she have collected the money of Biafra people? Owere na-enye gị nni maka agụụ gburu gị. Okwezi dịka gị, ọhụ gị mma, udele 247. Ọhụ gị mma, agụụ gburu. Somebody that never trusted in Biafra. You told me that Biafra will not come. Udele 247. Didn't you tell me that? And I was the person consoling you, telling you don't speak that way. And there is something that I have not said due to it attached to something. But I will say it here. The inquiry you called me one certain time, before you told me that Biafra will not come, when you asked me, do I even think that this Biafra will be achieved? That is before you told me in conclusion that Biafra will not come. Did you remember? If I am talking with somebody, I will be memorizing what you are telling me. What you asked me. And today, you are the person deceiving Onwukwe. Oh, we are representing Master Simon Ekpa. Ikengas, Opontunuru Ago said, the Newe Bobrisky, Ojika Bego, said that they are representative of Mazen Namdekano today. What is happening? What is happening? You people have come. The same DOS play card. Nothing have changed. The same DOS play card. We are most trusted. We are representative. Master Simon Ekpa have chased them away. Have chased the same way in the DOS. We are telling the people that Master Namdekano have chased Master Simon Ekpa away. Have said, don't we are the right channel. We are this. We are that. Today, in reality, what have happened? I told you people, all of you will be disgraced at the appointed time. I am Onyebuchi Ashigburobi, known as the Gracia Place. At the appointed time, and that appointed time is now, Master Simon Ekpa have disgraced all of you. Master Simon Ekpa have disgraced all of you. Chiri Nine Wononala have equally said, ask Uche what Master Simon Ekpa told him in Finland. Let him deliver that message to all of you. As a usual, as a coward that he is, he cannot say that thing. Because if he say it, it amounts that he have been lying, that they have been deceiving the people. That they have been deceiving the people. I am Onyebuchi Ashigburobi Place, known as the Gracia or the Sea of the Seer, preaching nothing but the undiluted truth. As I am recording this now, I am seeing one of my old-time friends messaging me, saying that she is afraid of Master Simon Ekpa's bail condition, that if Finland will not tell him to drop us by the side. But one message that I have for you is that this is freedom. And Master Simon Ekpa is not, his spirit is high. He's not that type of person. If Finland says that, then we fight it in the court. If he cannot fight it in the court, then he will change. So far the case have closed. He have the right of leaving Finland. And the freedom continues. I am Onyebuchi Ashigburobi. And I want to say something now. Did you know what made Mazi Nnamdi Kanu to leave Israel when he went to Israel was because of betrayal. Because of betrayal, our own people in Israel betrayed Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, stabbed him. Betrayal of the highest order. All the people shouting, Wachineke, Wachineke. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu left Israel because of betrayal emanating from our own people. Ndi Shioji, black people are evil. Even of themselves, okay, hana tagi hana forgono. Hana tagi hana praise gi. Hana tagi, they will be telling people that na have the most trusted, your most trusted. Okwa hana tagi na nke ikpeazụ a. Ọ bụrụ na ijisi ike rescue onwe gị, ha tagbuo gị. These very people, liars and deceivers, deceiving them their own selves. I am Onyebuchi Ashigburobi, please. Just hit the like button and share. Now let me go back to Chinedu Christian Onwukwe ka so ọnwụ ekwegogo ọnụ na nke ikpeazụ a. Ị na-azọ Onwukwe. Ọnwụ ahụ ekwegokwego ọnụ. I am Onyebuchi Ashigburobi, please. So this guy told them that na Maazị Simon Ekpa ji wee gbuo nwaanyị dị ime. But this guy cannot tell us who have unalived our own people. Our own people were massacred in a way and manner that nobody wishes to buy in a Kempo, at Aba High School, in Obi Igbo Trump rally. Today, Trump is president. Trump is not even remembering those. Oh, how will Trump remember why our people are putting distraction up and down? They are being used by Sokoto Caliphate to cause distraction. Let me return back to the preaching that I have been preaching. Forget about the distraction of the criminals that have been imposed. Just the way that they did it during Mazen Namdekano, they think that that same play card will work this time around. It won't work. Our own people are at alert and we will defend our own freedom. Nothing will be able to stop this very resolve. It is the resolve of the indigenous people to achieve their own freedom by themselves. Are you getting me? Are you listening to me? Are you getting the efficacy of this very program? I am Onyebuchi Ashigburobi, known as the Gracia Place, or the Sea of the Seer. So, when you look at this guy, he told them that Maazị Simon Ekpa gburu nwaanyị dị ime, and no evidence. Now, I want to ask this very Chinedu Onwukwe ka na-akpọ egene, Chinedu Onwukwe, I want to ask him, does it mean that all our people that have been paid by Nigerian army, you love it? You don't want anybody to retaliate what they do to them. You don't want. But those of you will lie. Oh, we are calling on the international community to react. We are calling on this. But when the indigenous people react, you sabotage them. So let us forget about the distractions and the criminality of this guy called Chinedu. Now, what Chinedu is definitely telling Finland is that we, the Igbos, are the aggressors. And, my God, onye kpọm na mmanya nweta m onye kpọm na njọ ya were isi ya buru. Onye so na isi m na awaja onye agwọ ya laa n'isi ya. Ọkpọm na mmanya enweta m ọkpọm na njọ ya were isi ya buru. It is well. Ka anyị gbapụ ya ọsọ in this very program. I love this very program because it's reality of what we face in the land of Biafra. Now, what Uche is telling Finland is that we are the people buying Nigerian military and not Nigerian military buying us. Because anytime you cry, they will tell you, but your people said you are the people who died. Are you getting it? These are Sabo. Anywhere you see in the DOS, USB recharge card, liars and deceivers, who told you that they are working with Maazị Simon Ekpa. Only, we sent a delegate only for their delegate to be disgraced. Let their delegate, I challenge Halimato, talking rubbish. You people are warming up for Maazị Simon Ekpa attack, including that one claiming that he is a prophet. Always lying down. Oh, Maazị Simon Ekpa, I told you people that that guy is as fake as you travel the order of the day. If you are in charge of the day, he will praise you. When this thing started, he never participated. When we started supporting Halemato, he was not there. He never said anything. He never showed face. We were the people doing it. He dodged. When he see that the people, we convince a lot of people supporting Madam Halemato, he then jump in. Obata, do you see the game? I am Onyebuchi Ashiburobi. I send you no message. Today, one thing that I will tell you for sure is that Mazi Simon Ekpa have regained his own freedom. It doesn't matter what the enemy does, though there are a lot of things surrounding that. Because once I speak to you from the spiritual angle. Now, there are a lot of things surrounding it. I just don't want to say, maka ndị na-pirate prophecy ibu ya akpagharị anyị na-ahụ prophecy ọ na-ala elu since m mechiri ọnụ ha nye ha na prophecy ndị ara. People that listens to me, after listening to me, they go out to tell you that God told them this. Liars and deceivers in order to milk and make money from people. Do I send you? I send the kwamono. Ihe nno ebe a bụ m kwucha iche ịkọrọ inyo gbaduve. My time have expired on this very platform. I only have few minutes to conclude this very message. Few seconds, not minutes. Few seconds. And one thing that I must tell you is that share this very program. This is Holy Makeup speaking from Biafra Liberation Army. And this is Mazi Simon Ekpa chopping knuckle with the members of Biafra Republic government in exile. And they are now saying, oh, we will make mouth with the picture. We are your madam, not the person that told Biafra people that Mazi Simon Ekpa sacked us and told us not to come. Today, you cannot snap the picture. We will make mouth and do this with the picture. Shame on all of you. From me from here, goodbye for now, please.